Excel Workbook and Use of English, Grade 5, Module 9b. Exercises from 1 to 8, pages 68 and 69. Exercise 1. Put each verb into the correct box. The first: playing, listening, walking, talking, eating. The second: writing, making, having, creating, taking. The third: cutting, running, shopping, swimming, sitting. Exercise 2. Look at the pictures, correct the sentences. The first: Sam is typing a letter. Sam isn't typing a letter, he is listening to music. The second: Tom is watching TV. Tom isn't watching TV, he is talking on the phone. The third: Jane is driving a car. Jane isn't driving a car, she is working on the computer. The fourth: Joy is sending an email. Joy isn't sending an email, he is reading a book. The fifth: Mary is eating a sandwich. Mary isn't eating a sandwich, she is riding her scooter. Exercise 3. Put the words in the correct order to make sentences. The first sentence: She isn't making dinner. The second: Is your mother shopping now? The third sentence: The boys are going camping this weekend. The fourth: James is wearing a suit and tie. The fifth: Is Peter making a sandcastle? The sixth: You aren't doing your homework. Exercise 4. Look at the Sally's timetable. Write questions. Answer them. The first question: Is Sally going to the cinema on Saturday? No, she isn't. The second question: Are Sally and Anne going to the cinema on Friday? Yes, they are. The third question: Is she having a ballet lesson on Tuesday? Yes, she is. The fourth question: Is she having lunch with her aunt on Thursday? No, she isn't. The fifth question: Are Sally and her mom going shopping on Monday? Yes, they are. Exercise 5. Underline the correct form of the verb. The first: My father wears a suit to work. The second: We are watching TV now. The third: The children have swimming lessons every week. The fourth: She doesn't sleep in on Fridays. The fifth: Are they sunbathing now? The sixth: Jack is studying for an exam at the moment. The seventh: Fran visits her grandparents once a week. The eighth: Is she talking on the phone now? The ninth: They don't work on Saturdays. The 10th: They play basketball every afternoon. Exercise 6. Put the verbs in brackets into the present simple or the present continuous. Hi, Janet. Greetings from Australia. Christmas is so different here. In Toronto, it always snows on Christmas Day, but right now the sun is shining in Sydney and it is very hot. We usually wear warm clothes in Canada, but today we are wearing t-shirts and shorts. Tina always makes a snowman or has snowball fights with her friends back home. But now she's swimming and making a sandcastle. It's really cool. Love, Joanna. Exercise 7. Choose the correct answer. The first, John is making a snowman now. The second, Emma walks to school every morning, but today she is catching the bus. The third, Tom often wears shorts in the summer. The fourth, Brian went to his grandma's last Saturday. The fifth, Cindy usually drives to work. The sixth, we aren't going to school today, it's Saturday. The seventh, we can't go to the beach now, it is raining. The eighth, Danny and John are playing tennis at the moment. The ninth, are you and Tom going swimming now? Yes, we are. The 10th, what is James doing? He's watching TV. The 11th, is Jane eating her dinner now? The 12th, David isn't working today. Exercise 8. Use the verbs to write sentences about what your friends aren't doing now. I'm not sleeping now. I'm writing sentences. My friends aren't playing. They are reading and writing. My friend Bill is ill today. He is sitting in front of the TV watching cartoons.